Brain dominance. Left or right brain? The concept of brain dominance, often simplified into left brain versus right brain thinking, has long fascinated both scientists and the general public. This idea stems from the theory that one hemisphere of the brain is more dominant, influencing an individual's cognitive style and personality traits. Let's delve into the origins of this theory, its scientific basis, and its implications. Origins of the left brain versus right brain theory. The theory of brain dominance emerged from the research of Roger W. Sperry, a neuropsychologist who won the Nobel Prize in 1981. Sperry's work with split brain patients, individuals who had undergone surgery to sever the corpus callosum, the bundle of nerves connecting the two hemispheres, revealed significant differences in the functions of the left and right hemispheres. Sperry found that the left hemisphere was primarily responsible for language, logical reasoning, and analytical tasks. In contrast, the right hemisphere was more involved in spatial abilities, creativity, and intuition. This led to the popular dichotomy: the left brain as logical and analytical, and the right brain as creative and intuitive. Scientific evidence and misconceptions. While Sperry's research laid the foundation for our understanding of lateralization, the specialization of brain hemispheres, the idea of individuals being strictly left-brained or right-brained is an oversimplification. Modern neuroscience has revealed that the brain is far more integrated and complex. Functional connectivity. Brain imaging studies have shown that both hemispheres are involved in almost all cognitive tasks. For instance, language processing, traditionally associated with the left hemisphere, also engages the right hemisphere, particularly for aspects like intonation and context. Similarly, creative tasks require the analytical skills attributed to the left hemisphere. Neuroplasticity. The brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself, known as neuroplasticity, also challenges the notion of fixed hemispheric dominance. When one hemisphere is damaged, the other can often compensate, taking over some of its functions. Individual differences. People do exhibit differences in cognitive styles, but these differences are not strictly tied to one hemisphere. Factors such as education, cultural background, and personal experiences play a significant role in shaping how we think and learn. Practical implications and popularity. Despite the scientific nuances, the left brain, right brain theory remains popular in educational and self-help contexts. It provides an accessible framework for understanding individual differences and can encourage people to explore various learning and thinking strategies. Education. Some educational programs emphasize balancing both hemispheres' activities to foster well-rounded development. For example, incorporating art and music into a traditional math and science-focused curriculum can stimulate both analytical and creative thinking. Self-improvement. Self-help books and personality assessments often use the left brain, right brain dichotomy to offer insights into personal strengths and weaknesses. While these tools can be motivating, it's essential to recognize their limitations and avoid pigeonholing oneself based on an oversimplified model. The left brain versus right brain theory, while rooted in legitimate scientific research, is an oversimplification of the brain's complex functions. Modern neuroscience has shown that cognitive processes are highly integrated, with both hemispheres working together dynamically and flexibly. Understanding this complexity allows us to appreciate the brain's incredible adaptability and encourages us to develop a more holistic approach to learning and personal growth. Ultimately, embracing a balanced view of brain function can enrich our appreciation of human cognition, fostering environments that nurture both analytical and creative potentials. Unanswered questions and their explanations. 1. How did the left brain versus right brain theory become popular despite its oversimplification? The left brain versus right brain theory gained popularity due to its simplicity and appeal as an easily understandable model for explaining complex cognitive processes. Several factors contributed to its widespread acceptance. Media and literature. The theory was widely disseminated through popular science books, articles, and media coverage. Authors and educators often used the dichotomy to illustrate differences in cognitive styles, making it a convenient shorthand for discussing how people think and learn. Educational trends. The theory coincided with growing interest in personalized education and learning styles in the late 20th century. Educators and psychologists found it useful for developing strategies to cater to different student needs, despite its scientific inaccuracies. Self-help movement. The rise of the self-help industry also played a role. The left brain, right brain model was frequently used in self-improvement books and seminars, which emphasized leveraging one's strengths and understanding personal weaknesses. 2. What are the practical implications of the left brain, right brain theory in educational settings? While the theory is scientifically oversimplified, it has had practical implications in educational settings by promoting diverse teaching methods and recognizing individual differences in learning. Some key implications include balanced curriculum. Educators have been encouraged to design curricula that stimulate both hemispheres. This means incorporating arts, music, and physical education alongside traditional subjects like math and science, fostering a more holistic development of students. Differentiated instruction. Teachers use the concept to differentiate instruction, providing various activities that cater to different learning preferences. For example, logical and analytical learners might engage in structured problem-solving tasks, while creative and intuitive learners might benefit from open-ended projects and discussions. Encouraging creativity. The theory has helped validate the importance of creativity in education. Schools increasingly recognize that fostering creativity is as crucial as developing analytical skills, leading to more innovative and engaging learning environments. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to support this channel. Please share across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. 3. How can individuals effectively utilize the left brain, right brain theory for personal development without oversimplifying their cognitive abilities? To leverage the left brain, right brain theory for personal development effectively, individuals should adopt a balanced approach, recognizing the complexity and integration of cognitive processes. Here are some strategies. Self-awareness. Use the theory as a starting point for self-reflection, identifying areas where you might naturally excel, e.g., analytical tasks or creative pursuits, and areas where you can grow. Understand that these traits are not fixed and can be developed with practice and effort. Diverse learning experiences. Engage in activities that challenge both hemispheres. For example, if you are naturally analytical, try engaging in creative hobbies like painting or music. Conversely, if you are creatively inclined, work on puzzles or logical games to enhance your analytical skills. Integrated approaches. Apply an integrated approach to problem-solving and learning. Recognize that both analytical and creative thinking are valuable and often necessary for effective decision-making and innovation. For instance, in a work setting, use data analysis, left brain, to inform your creative strategies, right brain. Mindfulness and flexibility. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of your thinking patterns and biases. Be flexible in your approach to tasks, allowing yourself to switch between analytical and creative modes as needed. This adaptability can enhance your problem-solving abilities and creativity. By appreciating the complexity of brain functions and avoiding rigid categorizations, individuals can use insights from the left brain, right brain theory to develop a more versatile and balanced cognitive toolkit. Educational case study, the Waldorf school approach. The Waldorf school system, founded by Rudolf Steiner, emphasizes a holistic education that engages both hemispheres of the brain. Waldorf schools integrate artistic activities, right brain, such as drawing, music, and theater with traditional academic subjects, left brain, like math, science, and language. This balanced approach aims to develop well-rounded individuals by nurturing both analytical and creative skills. A specific example is the use of eurythmy, a form of movement art, in Waldorf schools. Eurythmy combines physical movement with musical rhythm and speech, engaging both the left and right hemispheres. This activity helps students improve their coordination, spatial awareness, and linguistic abilities simultaneously, illustrating the benefits of an integrated educational approach. Self-help case study, the whole brain model. The whole brain model, developed by Ned Herman, expands on the left brain, right brain theory by identifying 4 distinct thinking styles: analytical, sequential, interpersonal, and imaginative. Herman's model encourages individuals to recognize their dominant thinking styles while also developing underutilized areas. For example, a business professional who primarily uses analytical and sequential thinking might enroll in a creative writing course to stimulate the imaginative and interpersonal aspects of their cognition. This balanced development can enhance problem-solving abilities, creativity, and overall cognitive flexibility. The left brain versus right brain theory, while rooted in legitimate scientific research, is an oversimplification of the brain's complex functions. Modern neuroscience has shown that cognitive processes are highly integrated, with both hemispheres working together dynamically and flexibly. Understanding this complexity allows us to appreciate the brain's incredible adaptability and encourages us to develop a more holistic approach to learning and personal growth. By incorporating examples like the Waldorf School's holistic education model and the whole brain model's self-help strategies, we see how the theory's principles can be applied effectively. These approaches help illustrate that while the left brain, right brain theory provides valuable insights, it is crucial to adopt a balanced and nuanced perspective to fully leverage our cognitive potential. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel for more self-improvement videos. Comment below to tell us how useful you found this video. Remember to share on various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Click the notification bell to get notified anytime we post a new video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.